The Tughlaq dynasty, 1320–1413 AD, was the third and longest ruling dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Founded by Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq, Ghazi Malik, the dynasty is known for its massive territorial expansion, followed by a rapid disintegration caused by controversial administrative experiments and foreign invasions. Key rulers and their impact. The dynasty's history is largely defined by three major sultans. Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq, 1320–1325 AD. Founder. He overthrew the last Khilji ruler and established a stable administration based on public welfare and justice. Expansion. He successfully annexed Warangal, renamed Sultanpur, and Bengal. Architecture. He founded the fortress city of Tughlaqabad in Delhi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, 1325–1351 AD. Peak expansion. Under his rule, the Sultanate reached its greatest geographical extent, covering almost the entire Indian subcontinent. Failed experiments. He is famous for several, bold but disastrous, schemes. Capital transfer. Attempted to move the entire population of Delhi to Daulatabad, Deogir, in the south to better control the Deccan. Token currency. Introduced copper coins to replace silver, which led to mass counterfeiting and economic collapse. Taxation. Heavily taxed the fertile Doab region during a severe famine, sparking widespread peasant revolts. Firuz Shah Tughlaq, 1351–1388 AD. Administrative reforms. Unlike his predecessor, he focused on consolidation and public works rather than expansion. Public works, credited with building hundreds of cities, like Firozabad, Jaunpur, and Hisar, canals, hospitals, Dar-ul-Shafa, and a charity department, Diwan-i-Kharat. Slavery. He maintained a record-breaking 180,000 slaves in a dedicated department called Diwan-i-Bandigan. Cultural and architectural contributions. The Tughlaq era developed a distinct Indo-Islamic architectural style characterized by massive, sloping walls, batter, stone rubble, and minimal decoration compared to the earlier Khiljis. Monuments. Major sites include the Tughlaqabad Fort, Firoz Shah Kotla, and the tomb of Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq. Literature. The period saw the growth of Persian literature, with works like Ziauddin Barani's Tariq-i-Firuz Shahi and the travels of Ibn Battuta, who served as a judge in Muhammad bin Tughlaq's court. Decline and fall. After Firuz Shah's death in 1388, the dynasty faced a series of weak successors and internal civil wars. The final blow came in 1398 AD when the Turco-Mongol conqueror Timur, Tamerlane, invaded and sacked Delhi, massacring its population and leaving the Sultanate in ruins. The dynasty officially ended in 1413, succeeded by the Sayyid dynasty.